First, close the faucet. Then turn off the power and unplug the power cord. Unscrew the cap of the cleaning powder unit, fill with enough cleaning powder to cover the bottom, and replace the cap. Remove the water filter cover from the main unit and rotate the filter holder to remove the water filter. Place the cleaning powder unit in the filter tray of the main unit and secure the unit in place with the holder. Turn on the faucet to allow the water to flow through the flexible pipe for approximately 10 seconds, or about 1 liter. Then turn off the water. Place the tip of the flexible pipe and the secondary water stand in the bottom of a glass and allow water to flow through the pipe until the glass is half full. Turn off the faucet and leave the pipe and hose in the glass for 3 to 5 hours. Once time has elapsed, remove the glass and allow water to flow for several minutes. Turn off the faucet and remove the cleaning powder unit from the body. Replace the water filter and let the water run for several minutes. Turn off the faucet and replace the water filter cover of the unit. Plug in the power cord. The cleaning is now complete.